What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, my friends. Today, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to talk about this Microsoft play that we're able to take, and I want to teach you a concept on the Fibonacci extensions for basically bottom hunting and top hunting. So this can be used for investing, swing trading, and day trading. And I'm just going to show you everything step by step, and I'm going to show you the calls that we made and in real time. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, who do we have in the building? Who do we got? Anthony, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Dr. D, Candace, G-Man, Bill, David, Briggs, Wesley, Ahmed, Chak, Alicia, Reggie Jones, Trading Wars Army. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Microphone is good. And let's get right into it. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to redraw this fib with you. And so back here, guys, you could see on September 26th, 2022, which was back over here, guys, we were buying Microsoft. All right. And I've been following Microsoft for a very long time, and I've been telling you guys about Microsoft. On the day, I'm up $5,000 on Microsoft, just on the day. I've been in and out of Microsoft many, many times on this way up. And I've probably made close to $100,000 since the bottom here in Microsoft. So a lot of you may be asking me, Rich, how were you able to get that bottom? So you could see in the Discord, for anyone interested in Microsoft long-term play, I discussed last night, 240 or lower is a good starting point for an initial long. If it dips more, we can add more. I'll be using shares. So what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to do a analysis for you, okay? And I just want to show you how to use the Fibonacci extensions, okay? All right. So first thing we have to do is we have to anchor the previous all-time high. So what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and we'll hit the replay. All right. So let's come off of the previous all-time highs right around here. Okay. Okay. So the first thing that we want to do is, this is when we were at previous all-time highs. The first thing we want to do, guys, we look over here, is we want to understand, is this a bullish or bearish chart? Hit me with a 1 for bullish, hit me with a 2 for bearish. Okay. So the weekly chart, guys, where you can have those massive investments and those massive swing trades because of just the power of the weekly candles. They're 1 week of volume versus, a 5-minute candle or 3-minute candle. So what we're going to do here is, we know this is bullish. So we're going to take our anchor and we're going to put it on the low to the high. Okay. So this low right here is 132.52. I'm going to hit that in. So 132.52. And then the high, this is the all-time high before we dropped, 349.67. So some of you may be asking, Rich, how did I get this anchor here? So I got this anchor here, guys, because this is the COVID low, all right? And after the COVID low, we had the huge rally. So that's the starting point. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to double click on this, and I'm just going to put 2 levels on them. So I'm going to go to the basic, and I'm just going to put the 618 and the 50, okay? So that right there, my friends, that's the bigger picture look. So we trade this on a day trading perspective. We're always looking for this setup, right? But what I love about trading is this is happening on all time frames. Okay. So for example, this is also on the 5-minute chart. It's on the 15-minute chart. It's on 30-minute chart. So here's an example. Let's go down to SPY, right? And we can see, like, here, this little time frame here. If I take a Fibonacci from the low to the high, look at that right here on the 50, and then a huge rally. So what I love about fibs, what I love about trading is as above, so below. Okay. So hit me with a 15 if that's making sense so far. So what we know here, guys, this is the bigger picture look. So what we need to do now is we need to create some confluence here. Okay. So here we go. So here is the all-time highs. Then you're going to see where I came up with this 240 level. So first of all, the 50% is 241.10. So let's go ahead and play through. So what are we having here so far, guys? We're having this push down. So what we do now is we're going to go ahead and take our Fibonacci from the high to the low of this anchor. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to double click and I'm going to put on the full. And the reason why I want to have the full on is because I want to show you the extensions. Okay. So let's zoom in here. Okay. So this is the all-time high, push down. That was the bear market we were in. Okay. Here we go. Here's our rally now. We're coming in on the 50. We reject. All right. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to keep playing this for you guys. So keep watching. So this is the 50% rejection right there. So we see the algorithm stepping in right there. Okay. Then from here, I want to show you something. Keep your eye on this. This is the 50% extension. So this is what I call symmetrical algorithm based trading. So this bear on this initial push down took it to the 50, and then wanted to take the 50 completion. And what I saw here, guys, why I was so confident in this play, that 50% completion of this bear leg lined up exactly with the 50% of the full move from 2020 all the way to 21, now going into 23. Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. All right. So all we have to do now is wait for this pattern to complete. Okay. So here we go. Fast forward. Okay. I'm just going to play through this, guys. Here we go. Coming into the 50. So we're waiting. There we go. There's our 50. All right. So once we got in this area, I was adding at 240. Okay. So some of you might want to wait for a candlestick pattern, and that's totally fine. So what do we have here? Let's see. Can we find a pattern here that we want to take? If you guys want to wait for the confirmation, let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, here's a nirvana. Okay, there's a nirvana right there. And then we came back down, we retest. Stop right here. Okay, where are we? Right there. Oh, let me keep going here, guys. It's right here. One of these, I think it's right. This one. Boom. Okay, there we go. So for what you guys are looking for, so for me, I'm taking it blind. I'm just coming in. And the reason I started adding at 240 is because I know if it goes lower down here, I can add more. So the key with long-term investing and swing trading is don't blow your load. If you have 100K, you don't put all in the first because it can go lower. Remember, you're trying to catch a falling knife. However, let's get rid of this fib now. What pattern do we have here, guys? Look at this pattern right here, right on the 50. What pattern is that? What is this right here? For those of you that are saying, Rich, I want to wait for something to give me a confirmation, guys, there is the Nirvana here and the Holy Grail right here. And the Holy Grail, guys, you know who follow me, that is our number one pattern, the most powerful pattern right here. So here we go. Entry right above this high. Once that high of that inside bar breaks, guys, let me fast forward. Boom. Okay. So we had one right here. We had another one right here. And then we had a third one right here. And when you're playing the investing game, guys, for me, there is no stop loss. I'm looking for all of these signals here, here, here. We can see it throughout here. And I'm adding on the position up to a desired level. All right. So if I know my maximum I'm willing to invest is 100 grand, 50 grand, 25 grand, I'm split it up into parts. Okay. And then finally, it took a long time, guys, from the beginning, the end of 22, all the way here to halfway through 23, we finally made a new all-time high, and that's how it's done. So that's using the Fibonacci retracement. Okay. If I was a god, I would have just bought it on the 618. Hit me with a 20 if you see that. You guys see that? The 618 basically tagged the 618 one time and it was gone. But when you're actually trading, it might actually hit the 50 and be gone. Okay. So that's why I went in at 240. Okay. You're never going to get the exact bottom there, but in hindsight, it looks great. Right. So I did add a little bit more over here, guys, but I did not get the exact 618 low. I wish I did, but I'm not going to say I did. Okay. All right. So I've locked in a lot of profits on this, but I plan to hold this even further long term. Okay. So the next leg, if we start to retrace here, guys, the next leg is going to be from this low to high like this. Okay. All right. So hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. I bought it on the 618. Thank you for long-term advice. You're the man, bro. I mean, you did better than me if you bought it on the 618. So congratulations, George. The out of money calls aren't that expensive. All right. That's great. That's great, guys. Guys, let's send George some fire, man, for that. It takes a lot of balls to do that, because I remember when we were buying in the bull market, it was everything is fine. But when this bear market was in, there's a lot of people in the community that crucified me for saying that. Okay. But anyways, all right. So going on to tomorrow, guys, my number one pick for tomorrow is AMD. Okay. Please subscribe, like the video. I'm going to send out, here are my levels for AMD, and I'm going to post them on Twitter. They're already posted on the YouTube. So make sure AMD, I'm looking to hit this one hard tomorrow. So yesterday we had NVIDIA. We had the same type of pattern here, guys, the shotgun. So let me show you guys how I did this here. So the shotgun, we wanted to go long on NVIDIA above 463.73. So here's the 5-minute chart. So congratulations to anyone that took this. So we didn't get the exact bottom, guys, but still able to get a good part of the move. So here was our level. We retested in the morning. We hovered below, and then we broke through. The second time, guys, this is called a V trigger. That V right there. The second time we broke through the level, it was explosive. Okay, so I'm going to be posting that right after this. Hit the like. Let's go for it, guys. Ignore everyone else. Follow your plan. Follow your strategy. Manage your risk and trade what's in front of you. Trade what's in front of the chart. Keep things simple. All right, I'm going to be doing a live day trading session on Friday. Please comment below and let me know what you want me to trade on Friday. And I just want to let you guys know that I am also doing a seminar August 6th at 3 p.m. If you are a YouTube Army member, so if you have the green like Reggie, like Quita right here, if you guys have the green on, you're going to automatically get a part to be a part of the seminar. Okay. So I'm also going to be raising the price of the army. Right now it's $4.99 because I'm going to be giving the seminars away now to the army. So I'm going to have to raise the price. But so if you want to subscribe, it's $4.99. Join buttons below this video. Check me out at tradingwars.com. Like always, my friends. If you want to come and trade with us live every single day, guys, every single day we go live, you can sign up right here on the main page. Is $49.99, or you can buy any one of my 3 books. You'll get 30 days for free in the Discord. Come trade with us. Great community of people, guys. You can see over here, if I go back in time, guys, here, these are all of our swing trades. For those of you, you know, that this is the closing point that I want to say is sometimes, guys, you don't need to trade every single day or every single month. You could have taken this one play in Microsoft. So here you go. So this was the original tweet or Discord message. You can just take that one play, guys. So that's September and be done. It all depends on what you want to trade. For me, I want to make as much money as possible doing everything. Day trading, swing trading, investing. I want to hit every single thing I can. However, guys, you don't have to. If this is what you want to do, then just look for those extensions, look for those key Fibonacci levels, and you can just play 1 or 2 of those a year and call it a day. All right, hit me with a 15 if that makes sense, right? I just want to show you guys there's always ways to be a part of the market. All right, whether it's a day trader or a swing trader, investor, what works for you, and whatever you feel comfortable. So what's the benefit of joining the YouTube Discord? All right, I'll show you right now. Sorry, the YouTube Army. All right, so right here, guys, if you join the Army, it's $4.99. Every single day, I post exclusive picks for the members. So for the members tomorrow, I posted Nike with the full spreadsheet. So every day, the members get specific posts as well as swing trades. Okay, so for the members, I did a swing trade on the monthly for SPY. We took this outside bar here. This was a huge winner, guys. You could see it's a massive winner. The seminar access, like I said, and just content, exclusive content. All right. And I'm going to be making some private videos for members in the future. So if you guys want to lock in now at that $4.99, now's the time. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you guys are banking. Let's finish this week strong. Take care, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.